In this Unity Enterprise tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to quickly add a product. Let's begin by navigating from the dashboard to the springboard menu. From there, select Products, then Manage Products. This will take you to the product list, where you're ready to create a new product. Click the plus icon to access the Create Quick Product or Clone feature. Now start by filling in the product details. Enter the product name. For this example, we'll create a cheeseburger. Next, move to the primary code, which is optional. Now let's focus on selecting the product type. Be sure to understand the available options. Here is a brief description of each. 1. Sales item. This is a product sold to customers and displayed on the point of sales. 2. Inventory item is a stock item purchased from suppliers. 3. Sales and inventory item is an item purchased from a supplier and sold as is on the point of sales, also called a one-to-one item. 4. Custom, for products that aren't sales or inventory items and need customization on the details page. For a cheeseburger, the type is a sales item. Once you picked out its type, choose the base unit of measure. For a burger, this is each. Next, allocate a display and printer set. Decide where the item should print, such as the kitchen printer for a cheeseburger. Moving on to department group and department to categorize the product. For the cheeseburger setup, the department group can be associated with a sales or point of sales items group and can be found in the burger department. If the item you are creating is an inventory item, the cost to use field comes into play with options like last cost, average cost, or HQ cost. The cost price is optional. Sales tax can be set to 15% VAT or no VAT. Lastly, set the selling price, which includes VAT. After filling in the tabs, you have several saving options. Cancel to discard changes. Save and new to create another product. Save and clone to duplicate the product within the same department and type. Save and close to return to the product list. Save and open to move to the product's profile and details page. That's it. You've successfully used the Quick Add feature to create a new product.